In this video, we are going to see about the conversion from decimal to binary. So decimal representing the number system with base 10 and binary representing the number system with base 2. So now we are going to study about how to transform this decimal to binary. So first consider how to consider this number 121 base 10. Now we are going to convert this 121 base 10 to binary number system. For that, this is a whole number in decimal number system. So whole number we have to find the equivalent binary by dividing the whole number, this number, by 2. For finding the equivalent binary of this whole decimal number, the first step is divide this number with 2. So this 12 means 6 and this is 0 and remainder is 1. Then again divide this 60 by 2, we will get 30, remainder is 0, and 2, this is 15, remainder is 0, and this is 2, 7, and remainder is 1, and 2, 3, and remainder is 1, and 2, 1 2s are 2, and remainder is 1. So the equivalent of this 121 in base 10, that is equal to, and for whole number, for integer, we have to take from down to upwards. So in the order here is from down to up. So this is the order for finding the equivalent of integer decimal value. So here the equivalent binary here is 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 with base 2. So this is the equivalent of 121 in decimal, 1 1 1 0 0 1 in base 2 by binary number system. And similarly for fraction number, we have to multiply this fraction number with 2. So whole number means we have to divide the number by 2, and fraction number means we have to multiply the number with 2. So here 0.25 into 2, that is equal to 0.5, 0.5. Again take this number and this 0.5. If you have 1 here means no need to take that 1. The fraction part only you have to take. So 0.5 into 2, that gives 1 0. So this becomes 0 means no need to proceed further. So stop at this point. If it has other values, you have to, other than 0, you have to take a few more steps, and it will continue for infinity means you have to stop for any one point. You can take any one point. So here we get exactly 0. So the binary of this decimal equivalent here is, and here we have to take up to down, and this is 0 point up to down, 0 1 in base 2. So this is the equivalent binary of this 0.25 decimal number. And here this number has both the whole value and also the integer part. So now we solve this. First we take this whole part, so integer part, that is 15. So 15 means we have to divide this 15 by 2. So this 7, remainder is 1, and 3, 1, and 2, this is 1. So the 15 equivalent binary is 1 1 1 1 2. And next part, the fractional part, for that we have to multiply that with 2. So multiplying 0.6252 is 0 1 5 12. That is given as 1.250. So we have to take this fractional part only. Again we have to take this fractional part, and this is 250 into 2, that is given as 2 means I think 500. 0, 0, 0, 1, 5. Yeah, 0.500. Again we have to take this 0.5. 0.500 into 2, that will give us 1.000. So we get all 0 here, so we can stop at this point. And the equivalent binary, here we have to take in this order, down to up, and here up to down. So the equivalent of 0.25 is 1012. So the entire value 15.625, that is equivalent in decimal, that is equivalent to 1111.101, the base 2, and this is the equivalent of this number in binary.